I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: hand tracking enabled in headset and companion app, and a calibrated floor. Once done, calibrate guardian and floor height so your hands map correctly to the play area. Next, put on your headset and enter Gorilla Tag's lobby. Choose hand tracking mode. You do this now because correct mapping prevents drift and missed grabs. Make sure lighting is steady and remove reflective jewelry so the sensors can reliably see your hands. Now refine how you move. Practice neutral poses and slow open hand gestures to improve finger detection. Once comfortable, focus on wrist and elbow arcs when you reach for branches. This reduces false releases. You should also calibrate in-game by testing jumps and climb grabs, tweak guardian or hand sensitivity if reach feels off. Practice deliberate swings rather than frantic flailing because the system interprets clear motion more reliably, and that yields consistent climbing and tagging performance. Finish by doing a short play test. Run, tag, climb, and verify each finger registers reliably. If something goes wrong, rerun hand calibration and check lighting immediately. Once done, try toggling hand tracking in the headset settings and relaunch Gorilla Tag. That often clears stale sensor state. If problems persist, switch to controllers briefly to isolate whether the issue is software versus hardware. This helps you diagnose quickly, so you can return to handplay with minimal downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.